What is going on, everybody? It's Jordan Johnson Alpha Capital, coming to you all with another informative video. We're going to look at a few pairs of my portfolio. It's kind of middle of the week on a Wednesday. We just had very big economic news today. The Fed decided to cut interest rates, so we had a lot of volatility in the markets. Before we dive into some technicals and some potential trade setups, shameless plug as always. If you're not following me on Facebook, follow the Facebook page, Johnson Alpha Capital, Jordan Forex Trader. I post a lot of good stuff on her, a lot of good content to help you with your trading. And if you are not a member in the $1 Million Visions Telegram group, definitely join. 450 plus members. I send out a lot of my personal trades. I actually sent some trade setups out this week. Just a lot of very good content, a lot of very good material in here. So with that being said, let's jump to the charts for these technicals. It's not going to be a long video. First on the short, man, we got US 30 here. We're going to come back to it. But if you go back to the last video I posted that I was looking for this buy. I was looking for maybe a correction to get in the buy. I didn't get the correction, so I didn't personally get to take this trade and participate in it. But I was looking for it to go to the upside. So let's first off, let's start with the dollar index. Still some stuff on her from the last time we did this. Let's just delete everything. So now that we got the Fed out the way, they did cut rates. What is my viewpoints on the dollar? Right now, you all, man, I'm bearish on the dollar. I do think, the dollar is turning bearish. We had this very big bearish day today. When the news actually first came out, we had a big spike up, and then you can see it came crashing down towards the end of the day. Coming off this big bearish move here. Very easily can be counted as us forming 5 ways down. Just very basic count here. I think we will come to break these lows. Let's get a horizontal ray. I do think the dollar is going to break these. We might even break it this week, causing us to break below this 200 MA. Let's jump to this weekly time frame. Weekly time frame, last week was kind of bullish, but the week before that, very big bearish candle. I would like to see us break these lows this week. So something to look forward to. But as of right now, I'm bearish on the dollar. So, it's kind of just waiting for the setups now to give us the opportunities with other trades. Let's look at gold. Look at gold. We got this break of this trend line. So if we go to gold, if we're gonna be bearish if we're gonna be bearish on the dollar fundamentally, we will be bullish on gold. So let's see. I don't really see a big trade setup. We do got this very nice hammer here though. A, B, C. Yeah, I don't want to try to force, a pattern or anything on this chart right now. I just, I do not see a good trade setup for me personally as far as risk to reward to give out. Let's see. It could be, you could decipher this as maybe a triangle. Let's see. I'll show you all what I'm looking at. You can look at this as A down, B, C, D, E. I actually like that. As you can see, we are coming off a nice bullish run in gold. That I say ended, about September of this year, and we've been kind of in this sideways consolidation. It's a little triangle here. So actually, I do like this. I do like this bullish triangle that it looks like we're forming. That's an ascending triangle. I like that a lot. So let's see. Let's zoom in. I mean, it's crazy. I actually believe I was looking for another drop in gold this week to finish this correction. But it looks like as a triangle, man, it looks like it might be done right now. Prices at 14.94. Some stops on this will be below this bullish candle. 14.81. So it's not a whole lot. It's about 13. It's only about 13 ticks or so. So I mean, on Western and White, that's only $1,300. And usually on this, you would like it to at least come back, retest this highs. If not, definitely break these highs here. Let's see. Let's get us an arrow. Let's measure this, the width of this. Put this on here. Boom. I like this, you. I really do like this setup. I haven't looked at it like this. I like this triangle pattern that we have here. That's 1593. That's about 100. That's about 100 ticks. I like this. I think I'm about to get long on this, actually. Okay. Yep, that's perfect. So let's publish this. Excuse me. Yeah, I like this triangle. I mean, that's what it looks like to me right now. You all looks like we are forming a triangle. I should have left this arrow here. I think I am gonna get long on gold with stops right here. This is the trade. We're looking at a long position. For y'all that don't know about the triangle, it's just an Elliot wave corrective pattern. Let's publish this. I always forget to do this. And like I said, I have to double check. But if you go back to last video, I believe I was bearish on gold coming into this week, thinking we was gonna get that final drop in the correction before we went back up. And as you can see, you know, it didn't happen. So I mean, you got to be able to kind of change your analysis. Just like in sports, you know, sometimes you got to change your game plan. You know, sometimes things don't work out as you originally thought. You got to be able to adjust on the fly. So we're looking at gold wave analysis. Bear, set up, bullish triangle. Perfect. I really do like this. I really do like this. I believe we have completed a bullish triangle and would like to see a impulsive move to the upside. Beautiful. Publish that. I really do like that. Wait for this to load, and just so I don't forget, I am going to post this, pop it into the Telegram. So I don't always make these YouTube videos, you know, so that's why you need to be in the Telegram chat so that you are getting these updates when I do put them in. Let's pop back. Okay, let's delete that. I like that. So I really like to set up before. I think I'm actually going to place this trade now. Get my phone out. So right now, I think I'm probably just going to get along with just one lot. If we, because I'm risking on one lot, you're risking about, let's just say about 1,500, but 1,450. I'm going to have stops at 1479. Yep, so, but I am about to get long on gold. 1479. 1479 stop with a take profit Beautiful thing I love about gold. It's about, it's about a 10K trade if it hit targets. 1593. So on this video, I'm calling it. I just got long gold. Stops at 1479. Take profit at 1593. Yep. So let's move on from gold. We looked at dollar index, look at gold. Let's look at oil, man. Oil. What do I see on oil? Oil is real tricky coming into this week. I wanted to see oil get inside my kill zone here of my orange box before I look for the sell setup. We may have reached, just the top of this corrective structure. The corrective structure that I'm looking at here is, let's see if I can get it. Well, let's tell them we can draw like this here. It looks like we did break out of that actually. So it looks like we could be going back up, but I'm also looking at, let's drop down to the hourly time frame. I kind of wish I would have stayed in. Anytime I'm kind of indecisive in a trade sometime and I got a nice amount of risk on just to get out of it. I like to be kind of for sure about these things. But two things I'm looking at from this point to this point, I'm going to point this out to you all. This is big if you all kind of don't know this. This is what you call divergence. We do have bullish divergence here. As you can see, that's what you call bullish divergence, which means there is some bullish momentum in the marketplace. So let's see. Oil. So it's look like this, you all. We got this move down. And the markets never go straight up and down. The market's gonna give us a correction. So we did get the correction. Only thing is we got this move up. I do not believe this move up can correct that move down that we had. We have 3 waves here coming down. So I do believe we are going to probably come back up to make this a flat formation. I don't think we're going to go all the way back to that orange box as of right now. But then I think we're going to come down like this. So I know it's kind of live, it's kind of advanced if you're not familiar with Elliot wave. I just flew it, with it like that. But this is the pattern I'm looking at. I'm looking at an A, B, C. I'm looking at a flat pattern, like an extended flat. Now, two things. This could be a running flat, and it could, fall somewhere here. Or we can come back up to retest these highs of A, if not breaking them. So when I say retest these highs, I'm talking, let's make this black again. I'm talking retest this, come here and here somewhere. Just to make that, to make that. But that's what I'm looking for. So I had a great entry down here with these wicks and I got out of it. Just because I wasn't for sure. I should have probably made this video before and I would have stayed in the trade. Let's drop down back to the 15 and see what we got here. Yeah, I think we're gonna go back. I don't know. I think I might be able to get another re-entry on this. You can see here we got 1, 2, 3 up. Another one, we got 1. It's kind of a little corrective. I would like to see us we got this move down. I would like to see we kind of making this little correction here. I like to see us come back down, retest that, then go back up to that. If I get that set up, I think that will be ideal. But I'm looking for this pattern to play out on oil so that I can take a short on it again. That's what I'm looking at on oil. Close that. Okay. Let's see. Got a lot of us. That's dollar yen. And we're not gonna touch everything today, you all. Let's see, dollar yen. Last video I was looking for the break of this trend line. We got it. We boosted up. Now what are we doing on dollar yen? I don't see a great setup. I don't want to spend a lot of time on it. Dollar Swiss burst. A lot of you know if I'm bearish on the dollar, So I told y'all last video how you know, like if you're bearish or bullish on the dollar, how the other currency pairs act. If you haven't watched it yet, go back and watch it. Dollar CAD, don't see a great setup. I really only want to touch stuff that I see an actual tradable setup. I see pound New Zealand, huh? Yeah. Let's see, pound New Zealand. Looks like we probably on pound New Zealand gonna come back, retest these lows. Look for something like this. Come back to these lows. If not, break them. Then go back up. That's what I would look for. And you gotta know these patterns, y'all. You gotta know what you're looking for. A lot of people been asking me, you know, when am I coming out with the course? You know, I'm taking time. Like I said, it probably won't be the back Q2 of next year. In the meantime, you know, people ask me if I'm doing any boot camps or one-on-ones lately. I am. It just, you know, it depends on, you know, depends on like your current skill set, what you know, how much time I'm gonna have to spend with you. And of course, it is a price tag on that. So I mean, if you are interested, let me know. Let's see, euro pound. I don't like what I see there. Euro CAD. This Euro Aussie from a couple weeks ago, I think I didn't post them Euro trades. No, guess not. I thought I made a video about some Euro trades. See CAD yen. Okay, CAD Swiss. CAD took a dump. Touched on US 30. Then of course we got silver. I was looking for silver to touch this box. We did touch that box, and then I was looking for it to go back low. Don't say good setup. The setup I seen that I liked was in gold. Let's see if it's a similar setup on a daily. Yeah, we got some little Twizzlers here. I like it on gold, but I really like what I'm seeing on gold. So that's about it for this video, you. I told you it's not gonna be too long, but we did get a good setup, you know, mainly on gold and oil, of what we're looking for. If y'all seen value in these videos and if you like the content, please let me know. Give me some positive feedback. Leave some positive feedback for me. Like, share, comment, you know, plug in, follow the Facebook page, join the Telegram channel. You should see everything bottom left of your screen. And that is all, you all. Hope you all have a great week trading. I'm going to continue to post these live trades in the Telegram channel. Everybody have a great trading week.